everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to finish out the week with another challenge. Challenge number 8, I believe. Challenge number 8. So we are working, we're kind of breaking in. It's a problem that we have with the API. So we're dealing with huge amounts of data. So by process of elimination, I've done the work for you. The restriction is 500. So we can only search for 500 ticker symbols at one time. So this is the challenge for today. So let's see if I can remember or cheat and look. So I'm not going to give you any hints because once you really start to think about this, that's what it is. But if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos and a little challenge videos and here and there. So we have 5,456 ticker symbols. What I found is that 500 requests at one time works flawlessly. So you need to come up with a way to then cycle through these lists of 500 at a time. And so what we can do is we can print out a beginning index and an end index, like you're cycling through numbers. And that is all of the hint that we're going to be doing. But these APIs are very impressive. Then we're even going to be dipping into some things that we have not talked about and the responses, and then we're going to have to dissect all of these things moving forward. So it's a great exercise for this to be able to think how we're going to cycle through data. And then as we go through, we're going to need to take those responses, chop them up, and then maybe even use a couple other challenges that we've done before, and then learn as we go. So really been getting some awesome feedback about be doing some more solving real problems, not just learning of new skills. So there we go, guys. Real quick video for the weekend. So you have all weekend to work on it, and then we'll have an answer on Monday, and then we'll actually be hitting the API probably at the end of maybe that video, if not the second video, and probably at least one more challenge in between. So there we go, guys. Make sure you're staying tuned till the end and checking out these videos over here on this side, because there's probably a video there that you haven't seen before. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe button, and notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests. And make sure you join in that Discord server, because we had a really good conversations today. So thanks as always, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.